How healthy are your finances right now? Like right now, in this moment, how healthy is your money? If you're anything like me, I'm sure that there's a few things in the shopping cart of your mind. That's right. We have a shopping cart in our mind of a list of things that we want to purchase. But based on your current financial situation, should you buy it right now? The question of how healthy is your finances right now is a question that many of us avoid, not because we don't care or because we're not invested into our finances, but sometimes because we're just unsure of where to start. Well, that's where I step in. My name is Kayla, and I am a financial coach, author, award winning speaker, and certified financial education instructor. I believe that financial freedom starts with financial education and personal development. That's why I created the Strategic Financial Health Assessment Workshop. In this workshop, we will dive deep into your financial health. We'll be using strategic assessments to find out exactly where you stand in your finances and how you can improve upon your current standing point. This isn't just about the numbers, but it's all about understanding and building a relationship with your money. So that's exactly what we're going to dive into in this workshop, and I'm going to help you to do. Not only that, but we're also going to explore the core of your financial wellness by identifying what's healthy versus what's unhealthy. We're also going to jump into the power of regular financial reviews. So, you don't want to miss out on this workshop. Make sure that you join us online on April 30th at 6:30 p.m. Register below. Spots are limited and you want to be in the room.